don't be yourself. And stay with me here so you can understand what I'm saying, because this goes contrary to everything I say in most of my videos. What I mean here is that being yourself comes with risks. And when people tell you, just be yourself and your social life will go great and you're just going to make friends, it's true to a certain extent, but it's not going to be easy necessarily. You're not magically going to become friends with everyone just by being yourself, because some people think that you suck. Some people are just not going to like you. The thing is, you should just accept that. That's the point. Don't be yourself if you want to be friends with everyone. But you shouldn't try to be friends with everyone anyway. And even if you tried, I don't think that's possible. But the other thing about don't be yourself is that, of course, you can't simply rely completely on being yourself. Otherwise, you wouldn't be watching these videos and you wouldn't be trying to improve your social skills and learn how to make friends, right? So you should be yourself, but you should improve on some things. Because if you just rely on whatever it is you are now, and you're like, I don't care, like, I'm not gonna change for other people. It's like, what do we mean by that? You should change in the sense that you should learn how to have better conversations, okay? If you're someone who sucks at listening, well, maybe don't be yourself in that sense, okay? Be yourself, but get better at listening to people. Maybe you should get better at asking questions. Maybe you should get better at a lot of things, okay? You should get better at being interested and at being interesting only to a certain extent, like you want to be interesting in conversations in the sense that you don't want to just ask questions to people and make it an interview, right? You want to be able to bounce off of what people are saying. So there's a lot of social skills to learn so that you can have better conversations, connect with people better, be a better friend, okay? But of course, the title is a bit clickbaity. You should be yourself. It's not as simple. It's just, don't believe it when people just say the only thing you need is to be yourself. No, especially if you're a jerk and you have things to improve on. Okay, so it's a bit of a vague statement. Like it's not very specific when people say that. That's why I want to add this caveat in this video, because I say be yourself a lot, but it's just not all that simple.